Hi, John Gonzalez from Work Ethic, and today I'm going to show you some hip mobility movements that don't involve the band. So, first thing I'm going to use, I have a stack of boxes here, but you can use an incline bench, you can use a washing machine, a countertop, bar top, basically anything that's going to be at about hip level so that we can anchor our foot position on. So I'm going to show you a couple of different angles from here. First is frontal, where I'm placing the top of my foot onto that tabletop or box or bench, whatever you have, and then I'm going to rotate away. So external rotation away from that elevated leg. And I'm going to do this for about a 10 to 12 count. I'll show you from the other side. Placing my foot up there. And then again, externally rotating away from that elevated. So if I have my left elevated, I'm rotating to my right. If I have my right elevated, I'm rotating to my left. And again, we'll do that for about 10 to 12 count. Next movement is the controlled articulated rotation. I'm going to take the camera to floor level. So back in tabletop position. I'm going to externally kick back and then internally rotate. Drawing a circle with my hip with a 90-degree flexion point. And this is a controlled articulated rotation. I'll show you what that looks like from the front so you see how far it swings out. And I'm going to do this for a 10 count. Next is the fire hydrant, where it's just 90 degrees of abduction. This we can also do for a 10 count. So I'm trying to keep my torso parallel with the floor, so my belly button flat to the floor. And I'm only concerned about elevating my leg at a flexion point, again, of 90 degrees. Okay, next is going to be the wide abduction pushback. Wide abduction, wide knee frame for my tabletop. So you see that my hips, knees, ankles, everything's flared out a lot wider. And then I'm going to push back, flexing into those hips. Really deep flexion into those hips. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. Wide abduction, tabletop position, and then pushing back really deep into those hips. So I'm going to do this for about a 12 to 15 repetition count.